Welcome to a new video from the Vistas brand. In today's video, we're tackling a new topic, how to print large sublimation designs. Whether you're making custom t-shirts, banners, or home decor, printing large designs can be tricky if you don't have the right tools and techniques. I'll show you how to create those large, eye-catching designs with sublimation. Let's dive right in. So, why print large sublimation designs? Large sublimation prints are perfect for making a bold statement. They are ideal for printing oversized designs on items like t-shirts, full front or all-over prints, home decor, large canvas art, pillows and blankets, custom items, banners, signage, or even wall murals. With large designs, your creativity can really stand out, and the process opens up many more possibilities for custom projects. Let's discuss some tips. Tip 1. Choose the right printer and paper. Before you can start printing large designs, you need the right printer and sublimation paper. Wide format printers. For printing large designs, a wide format printer is the easiest solution. These printers can handle sublimation paper sizes up to 24 inches wide or more, depending on the model. Regular size printers. If you don't have a wide format printer, you can still print large designs by tiling or splitting the design into sections and printing it in parts. Sublimation paper. Use large format sublimation paper that matches the size of your design. The bigger the paper, the fewer sections you'll need to piece together later. Tip 2. Design software for large sublimation prints. When creating large sublimation designs, using the right design software is key. Here's what to focus on. High-resolution images. Always start with a high-resolution image to avoid pixelation when scaling the design up. Look for 300 dpi, dots per inch, or higher for the best quality. Design software. Programs like Adobe Photoshop or Illustrator are perfect for creating large designs. These software options allow you to control image resolution, scale designs, and split large images for printing. Tiling for smaller printers. If you're working with a standard size printer, design your image to be printed in sections or tiles that will be pieced together later. Many design programs, like Adobe Illustrator, have tiling options that will split your design across multiple sheets. Tip 3. Split large designs for small printers. If you don't have a wide format printer, don't worry. You can still print large designs by splitting them into multiple sections, known as tiling. Here's how. Divide the design. Use your design software to divide the image into smaller, printer-friendly sections. You'll need to print each section individually. Align the prints. Once printed, carefully align the sections on your substrate to create the complete design. Use registration marks or guides to ensure accurate alignment. Overlap. Edges. When tiling the design, it's helpful to leave a small overlap between the sections. This prevents gaps when aligning the pieces for pressing. Tip 4. Use heat tape and adhesive spray. When working with large prints, securing the sublimation paper to your substrate is essential to avoid any shifting during the heat press process. Heat-resistant tape. Use heat-resistant tape to secure the edges of your design. This will prevent the paper from moving and help ensure a clean, crisp transfer. Adhesive spray. For larger surfaces, spray adhesive is an excellent alternative to tape. Lightly spray the back of the sublimation paper and press it onto the substrate. This will keep the paper in place without causing smudging or ghosting. Tip 5. Proper heat press setup for large designs. Now that your design is ready, let's talk about how to heat press it correctly for large sublimation prints. Large heat press. If you have a wide format heat press, simply press the entire design in one go. Make sure the pressure and heat are evenly distributed across the surface. Small heat. Press. If you're using a smaller heat press, you'll need to press the design in sections. Start from one side of the design and move the press in overlapping segments. Be careful not to shift the paper when moving the press. Consistent temperature and pressure. Ensure that your heat press is set to the correct temperature, usually around 400 degrees for sublimation, and that you're applying firm, even pressure. Tip 6. Avoid common mistakes. Here are a few common mistakes to avoid when printing large sublimation designs. Paper. Misalignment. If your paper sections aren't aligned properly, your design will look uneven. Always take your time lining up each piece. Overlapping errors. When pressing in sections, overlapping too much can cause uneven heating and ink bleeding. Use consistent pressure and overlap only slightly to avoid this. Incorrect printer settings. Double-check your print settings to ensure you're using the correct paper size and type, as well as the highest quality settings for sublimation printing. Tip 7. Sublimation on large fabrics. When sublimating large fabrics like banners, blankets, or t-shirts, here are a few extra tips. Pre-press fabric. Before printing, pre-press the fabric to remove wrinkles and moisture. This creates a smooth surface for the ink to transfer evenly. Use a roller or lint brush. Before placing your sublimation paper on the fabric, use a roller or lint brush to remove any dust or debris. Even tiny particles can affect the quality of your print. Great! Now let's move on to final thoughts. Printing large sublimation designs opens up a whole new world of creative possibilities. Whether you have a wide format printer or are working with smaller equipment, following these tips will help you achieve vibrant, bold, and perfectly aligned large designs. With the right setup, you can create stunning custom pieces that truly stand out. Thanks for watching this video. I hope these tips help you print large sublimation designs with ease. Check the links in the description for sublimation products where applicable, and visit my website for additional sublimation guides. See link in description. Please consider liking the video and subscribing to my channel. See you in the next video.